Let's start disassembling the cover hinge. There are 6 screws. When you open the cover hinge, the main PCB is attached at the bottom. When you remove it, you will see the sub-PCB called NCM controller inside the cover hinge. When the error codes SD and OD appear, if the front panel does not light up, you will need to replace this PCB. I'm going to remove the door. First, remove the housing. Then remove the insulating screws. Disconnect all the harnesses connected to the door, then remove the lever. After removing the lever, lift the door to remove it. I'm going to remove the freezer door at the bottom. Remove the cap cover first. Remove the housing. Remove the 2 bolts at the top. After unscrewing the bolts, slide the hinge upward. Remove the door. I'm going to assemble the freezer door. Make sure the harness doesn't get caught. Assemble the lever. After assembling the lever, connect the harnesses. After the harnesses are connected, assemble the cap cover. Place the door onto the hinge C and hinge U. Make sure the lever is fully inserted and secure it. Connect the door harness to the cover hinge. close the cover hinge. Tighten the screws. Thank you for watching.